Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Bansal. I have recently joined GRR Education Institute, and in just 15 days, I can see that I am improving a lot. For example, as you all can see, today I am here in front of you all, sharing my experience about my journey at GRR. मैं जब यहाँ आई थी मुझे नहीं पता था ग्रूमिंग क्या होती है और ग्रूम्ड कैसे होते हैं, बट नाउ आई एम सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ ग्रूमिंग. There also I can see a lot of changes in myself. On the first day, I couldn't even give my introduction properly. But now I have that confidence to present myself in front of you. Thank you.